We work in a cold area. We've struggled over the years with heat and freezing applications, so we're definitely want to get into climate control that we can dictate our hours instead of the climate dictating our hours. So that's the 150. We upgraded it considered with just about every upgrade that you can get. I bought a bigger motor. I bought a bigger compressor. It's always better to have more than less, right? We went with a smaller tank just because we don't need to store mud over the night, so we mix every day so that we have a fresh batch every morning. Of course, we got this installed in a cab over box truck so that we can keep our climate control. This is the first time I've ever done this.
Okay.
So I'm learning, and I'm hoping that this is the right experience. You know, I sprayed for the past 30 years and worked outside in the climate, and I need to take care of my workers, not to mention my customers. AST shows me what they do and how they install it, and I leave it up to the experts when it comes to installation, because sometimes you gotta stay with the professionals to take care of the little stuff and worry about the big stuff later. It was a great process. Your sales department treated me well. He ran me through everything, and then he helped me design and build this piece of equipment. So it's been a good experience, and he's helped out a lot. You guys, AST has helped me out quite a bit trying to get this thing developed into something that I desire.